Hello and welcome. So we'll be looking at the practical application of Flexural Equation, which is also known as what? Bending formula. So the first application here is to what? Simply supported beam. Alright. So of course, when we are talking about Flexural Equation of bending moment or bending formula, we are just referring to what the maximum bending moment. So here we are going to have our maximum bending moment at the center, which is at point C for this simple supported beam. So what will be the formula there? So the maximum bending moment denoted by this max will be equals to W L all over 4, and which is going to be at what? It is going to be maximum at point C. I hope we get this. So you need to take note of all of this stuff. We are going to be using them in our subsequent calculation. All right. So for this one is a simple supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load. Of course, you are just going to convert this uniform distributed load to a what? To a point load. So of course, and it is still going to be maximum at what? At the center. So the formula for this is going to be what? WL square over what? Over 8. So we are going to say maximum moment will be equals to WL square all over 8, and which is still going to be at point C. So at point C, that is the center. Please take note, at the center. All right. So here we have a cantilever beam carrying a load at the free end. So here the maximum moment will be at point what? At point A, and which is going to be what? WL. So we are going to have our maximum moment max to be equals to WL, which is going to be at point A. All right. So similarly with this is a uniform distributed load. To convert to a point load, we are still going to have our maximum bending moment at what? At point A. But the formula is going to be what? WL square over 2. So we are going to have our maximum moment will be WL square all over 2. So this is also going to be what? At point A. All right. So here is what we are going to be considering under the practical application of Flexural Equation. So please, I urge us to memorize this formula, because we are going to be using them in our subsequent calculation. Stay tuned for more concepts. Thanks.